Hi everyone, today we will take up lesson division. I will be referring to Maths World book for grade 3 in my videos. In this video, we will understand the properties, terms and the ways to represent division. So, to begin with, let us understand the various terms used in division. Dividend is that number which is to be divided. Divisor is the number by which we divide. Quotient is nothing but the answer we obtain after dividing two numbers. And the leftover number which cannot be divided further is known as the remainder. Let us now see, children, how we represent these terms as numbers. The most common way of representing division is with this symbol. It is something which we all learn with the concept of 4 fundamental mathematical operations. In this example, children, 64 needs to be divided by 4. Therefore, 64 becomes the dividend and 4 becomes the divisor. When we divide these two numbers, we obtain 16 as the answer. This way of division is known as long division. And here, 16 is termed as the quotient. Children, please note, as 64 can be completely divided by 4 to obtain 16, thus we have no leftover number. Hence, the remainder in such a case is 0. Moving on, division problems may also be represented in short as given on the screen. Here, 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16 is represented horizontally, where the dividend again is 64, divisor is 4, quotient is 16 and remainder is 0. As you move up in your classes, you will observe, children, that division may also be represented by writing the dividend upon the divisor or using a slash. In the given example, 64 is written upon 4 to give you the answer as 16 and the remainder is 0. This can also be represented as 64/4 giving you 16. After revising the terms and representation of division, let us now understand the 4 important properties of division. The first property says, if we divide a number by 1, then we obtain the number itself. For example, 574 when divided by 1 will give you the answer as 574. The next property says, when we divide a number by itself, we get the answer as 1. For example, 574 divided by 574 will give you the quotient as 1. When we divide 0 with any number, then we get 0 as the quotient. For example, 0 divided by 574 will give you the answer as 0. But remember, children, any number divided by 0 has no meaning. That is, when 574 is divided by 0, it has no meaning. I hope you understood the properties of division. Let us now solve some questions from exercise 6.1 based on these concepts. The first question we have on the screen is 56 divided by 1. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, the answer is 56. The next question says 40 divided by 5. I am sure you are able to answer this also, children. So, the answer will be 8. Next question on the screen is 0 divided by 495. From the properties of division which we have learned, we know that when we divide 0 by any number, we get the answer as 0. The next question says 29 divided by 29. Children, if you remember, we have studied that when we divide a number by itself, we get 1 as the answer. The next question says 19 divided by 1. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, it will be the number itself. So, the answer is 19. The next question we have 68 divided by what will give you the answer as 68? Think, children, think. Yes, you are right. We need to divide 68 by 1 to get the answer as 68. The G part says 16 divided by 8. To solve this question, you should know the table of 8. And you know 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So the answer will be 2. The next question says 20 divided by 4. I know it's very easy for you all, children. In the table of 4, 20 comes 5 times. So that means the answer is 5. The following sums should be done by you as practice in your copies. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. You should practice maths every day, children, to be perfect in your calculations. In the next class, we will take up the topic of division facts. See you soon.